Hey guys, today we're going to replace the screen of an MSI GE60 2PC-262XBE. Most people are scared to replace their screen because they might damage or break something, but really, it isn't that hard. First up, we're just going to turn the laptop around. Make sure your laptop is turned off and remove the battery. Simply slide back the hinges and the battery should pop out. Next, we're going to turn the laptop back around so we can access the screen. We need to remove the bezel of the screen first. You might want to take a flat object to make your life a little bit easier. Simply go around the screen and make sure everything is loosened up. After we've done that, I can use my hands to pull the bezel off. If this is your first time removing the bezel, it might be a bit tricky, but don't worry, you won't break anything. As long as you're careful. You might notice the bottom side is a bit harder to remove. That's why we're going to flip the laptop back around so we can easily loosen this part up as well. Take your flat object and very carefully loosen the bottom side of the screen. Now we turn the laptop back around, and after a bit of wiggling, the bezel comes off. The next step is to remove two small screws on either side of the screen. These are the only screws holding the screen in place. After you've done that, just simply slide the screen down. It'll pop right off. Lay it down on your keyboard and that will reveal the cable that connects the screen to the laptop. Make sure to be very careful when you remove this. It's very small but also pretty fragile. Go grab your new screen and connect the cable once again. Make sure everything is secured and slide your screen back into position. Now we're going to re-screw the screws and we're pretty much ready to go. Go grab your bezel and place it back into position. Now just press firmly on each side until you hear a clicking sound. Turn the laptop back around and put in your battery again. And after all these steps, your screen will be working as new again. Thanks for watching.